Welcome to Health After 60, where we explore natural ways to rejuvenate your body and protect your heart as you age. Imagine a simple evening routine that works tirelessly to clean your arteries while you enjoy a deep and restorative night's sleep. For those over 75, keeping blood vessels clear is the most critical factor for longevity and preventing sudden cardiovascular events. Tonight, we reveal 5 specific herbal powders you can add to your dinner oatmeal to dissolve dangerous arterial plaque naturally. These 5 powerful ingredients are not just spices. They are potent medicine that target the root causes of heart disease. While these natural remedies are scientifically backed, always consult your doctor before starting, especially if you take blood thinners daily. Arterial plaque is a silent killer, slowly accumulating over decades until it restricts blood flow to your heart and brain. Oatmeal serves as a perfect carrier for these medicines because its soluble fiber already helps reduce cholesterol in your digestive system. Consuming this mixture in the evening allows the active compounds to work during your sleep cycle when repair mechanisms are active. Let us begin our journey with the first ingredient, a common root that acts as a powerful shield against inflammation. The first essential ingredient for your evening oatmeal is ginger powder, a remedy used for centuries to heal the body. Chronic inflammation is the primary trigger that causes cholesterol to stick to your artery walls, forming the initial dangerous plaque. Ginger contains gingerols and shogaols, powerful compounds that calm this immune response and stop the body from attacking its own vessels. By reducing systemic inflammation, ginger prevents the sticky environment that allows plaque to accumulate and harden over a long period. Besides heart health, ginger also aids digestion, ensuring you do not experience bloating or discomfort while you are sleeping soundly. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ginger can significantly lower C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation in seniors. You only need about a quarter teaspoon of organic ginger powder mixed into your bowl to reap these incredible protective benefits. Ginger also acts as a mild blood thinner, preventing platelets from clumping together and reducing the risk of overnight clots. Many seniors also report reduced joint pain and stiffness in the morning after adding ginger to their evening diet routine. Ensure you mix the powder thoroughly so the spicy flavor is well distributed and creates a warming sensation when eaten. A heart free from inflammation is a heart that can pump efficiently without strain, preserving your energy for daily activities. While fresh ginger is good, the dry powder is more concentrated and easier to measure for consistent daily therapeutic dosage. Think of ginger as a fire extinguisher, putting out the silent flames of inflammation that damage your delicate arterial lining. The warming effect of ginger also improves circulation to your extremities, keeping your hands and feet warm during cold nights. It is also packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, another major contributor to the aging of your cardiovascular system. The taste is slightly spicy but pleasant, adding a depth of flavor to the bland oatmeal that makes it enjoyable. Doctors often recommend anti-inflammatory diets as the first line of defense against the progression of atherosclerosis in older patients. Now that we have controlled inflammation, we must move to the second ingredient that actively opens up your blood vessels. The second powerful addition is cayenne pepper powder, a spice known for its ability to stimulate blood flow almost instantly. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which triggers your arteries to produce nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. This process, called vasodilation, ensures that oxygen-rich blood can reach every corner of your body, including your heart muscle. Capsaicin also activates a process called autophagy, where your body's cells clean out damaged parts and recycle waste materials. You do not need much. Just a tiny pinch is enough to trigger these beneficial responses without making the meal too spicy. By widening the blood vessels, cayenne pepper helps to naturally lower high blood pressure, reducing the strain on your heart. Improved circulation means you will feel more energetic and less breathless when performing physical activities like walking or climbing stairs. This spice improves thermal regulation, ensuring that blood is not stagnant but constantly moving and nourishing your vital organs. Stronger blood flow acts like a gentle river, slowly washing away loose deposits and preventing new plaque from settling down. Contrary to popular belief, moderate cayenne consumption can actually protect the stomach lining by stimulating protective mucus production. When taken in small amounts with oatmeal, it will not disturb your sleep but will work silently to improve circulation overnight. The oatmeal acts as a buffer, neutralizing the heat of the pepper while allowing your body to absorb the capsaicin. Capsaicin is currently being studied globally for its potential to extend lifespan and protect against various age-related metabolic diseases. Better circulation also means less fluid retention in the legs and ankles, a common problem for many people over 70. Think of cayenne pepper as a natural dilator that keeps your cardiovascular highways open and free from dangerous traffic jams. Next, we introduce the golden spice, often called the vacuum cleaner of the arteries due to its incredible cleaning properties. Turmeric powder is the third essential ingredient, famous for its active compound, curcumin, which is a miracle for heart health. Curcumin has the unique ability to reverse damage to the endothelial lining, which is the inner skin of your blood vessels. Research suggests that curcumin can help repair the genetic expression of arterial cells, effectively rejuvenating them to a younger state. It acts like a biological vacuum cleaner, helping to pull fatty deposits out of the arterial walls and excrete them. Turmeric also boosts liver function, helping your body to process and remove excess bad cholesterol before it settles in arteries. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to your oatmeal. The warm, earthy flavor pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Crucially, you must add a pinch of black pepper, which increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without black pepper, most of the curcumin would pass through your body unabsorbed, so this small step is absolutely vital. Regular turmeric consumption also reduces stiffness in the body, making you feel more agile and comfortable when you wake up. Beyond the heart, turmeric supports brain health, protecting against cognitive decline and keeping your mind sharp as you age. It smooths out the interior of your blood vessels, removing the rough patches that trap cholesterol and calcium in the first place. Your evening oatmeal will turn a beautiful golden color, a visual reminder of the potent healing power you are consuming. Investing in your heart health with turmeric means more quality years to spend making memories with your children and grandchildren. Our fourth ingredient addresses a specific problem, the hardening and calcification of the plaque that is already present. We specifically recommend Ceylon cinnamon powder, often called true cinnamon, which is safer and more effective for daily use. Avoid common cassia cinnamon, as it contains high levels of coumarin which can be harmful to the liver in large doses. Over time, plaque calcifies and turns into a hard, bone-like substance that makes arteries stiff and prone to rupture. Ceylon cinnamon helps to soften these calcified deposits, making them less rigid and easier for the body to gradually break down. It is also a master regulator of blood sugar, preventing the insulin spikes that trigger inflammation and arterial damage. For seniors with prediabetes or diabetes, cinnamon is essential for protecting blood vessels from the corrosive effects of high sugar. Add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. Its natural sweetness also means you do not need to add any sugar. By reducing arterial stiffness, cinnamon helps restore the natural elasticity of your blood vessels, lowering the risk of hypertension. The aroma of cinnamon is also known to boost cognitive function and memory, providing a dual benefit for heart and brain. Studies have confirmed that cinnamon can lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, further cleaning the blood lipid profile while you sleep. The combination of cinnamon with turmeric and ginger creates a synergistic effect where each ingredient amplifies the power of the others. Stabilizing blood sugar also prevents nighttime hunger pangs and waking up, ensuring you get the uninterrupted rest your heart needs. Finally, we arrive at the most potent ingredient of all, a specialized enzyme derived from a traditional Japanese superfood. Nattokinase powder is an enzyme extracted from natto, which has been the secret to Japanese longevity and heart health for centuries. Plaque is held together by a sticky protein mesh called fibrin. Nattokinase is one of the few things that can dissolve it. It works by directly dissolving the fibrin that binds the plaque, effectively breaking down the structure of the blockage itself. This powerful enzymatic action can dissolve blood clots and reduce the viscosity of your blood, significantly improving flow. Crucial tip: nattokinase is sensitive to heat. Add it only after your oatmeal has cooled down to a warm, edible temperature. If the oatmeal is boiling hot, it will destroy the enzyme. Wait a few minutes until it is warm and pleasant. Look for a powder that provides about 2,000 fibrinolytic units, or FU, per serving for effective therapeutic maintenance. In Japan, where this enzyme is consumed regularly, rates of heart disease and arterial blockage are among the lowest in the world. By dissolving the fiber in glue, nattokinase allows the other ingredients to work more effectively at clearing the loosened debris. This combination of 5 powders transforms a simple bowl of oats into a sophisticated medical tool for arterial cleansing. Consistency is key. Eating this mixture 4 to 5 times a week can lead to measurable improvements in your cardiovascular health. You do not need to eat it every single day. Giving your body a break on weekends is a good, balanced approach. However, because nattokinase is so powerful at thinning blood, you must not combine it with prescription blood thinners without approval. Ginger, cayenne, turmeric, cinnamon, and nattokinase. Together, they form a synergistic defense system for your aging heart. Many of our community members report lower blood pressure and better energy levels after just 1 month of this regimen. It is never too late to start caring for your arteries. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal if given the right tools. Clear arteries mean better blood flow to the brain, preserving your memories and your personality for the years to come. Write down this formula. Make it a part of your evening ritual. Treat food as your medicine, and your body will thank you. Thank you for watching Health After 60. Subscribe for more life-saving tips, and may your heart beat strong for many years.